Step into the future of luxury mobility with the all-new 2026 Lexus LM, a vehicle that completely redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. From the moment it comes into view, the LM exudes presence. The bold, oversized Lexus spindle grille commands attention, flanked by sharp, blade-like LED headlights that give it a distinctly futuristic and upscale look. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly across the exterior, blending elegance with aerodynamics, while chrome accents and an elongated silhouette hint at the opulence within. But the real magic happens when you slide open those power rear doors and step inside. The 2026 LM is less of a minivan and more of a luxury lounge on wheels. Whether you're in the driver's seat or being chauffeured in the ultra-luxurious rear cabin, you're surrounded by premium materials like semi-aniline leather, genuine wood trim, and soft ambient lighting that creates an atmosphere of total serenity. The VIP second-row seats are the real showstoppers, fully reclining with built-in massage functions, personal climate zones, and even a 48-inch widescreen display for rear passengers. Lexus has packed this flagship mover with cutting-edge tech, including a next-gen infotainment system, advanced safety features, and full connectivity across all seating zones. The LM isn't just a people mover. It's a statement piece designed for executives, families, and anyone who demands comfort without compromise. In short, the 2026 Lexus LM isn't just a luxury van. It's a rolling sanctuary, proving that Lexus is not just competing in this niche, but redefining it altogether. Once inside the 2026 Lexus LM, it becomes instantly clear that this isn't your typical people mover. This is a bespoke luxury experience on four wheels. Lexus has gone all in on materials, using only the finest finishes to craft a cabin that feels more like a first-class suite than a car interior. From hand-stitched leather seats to real wood inlays, brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces throughout, every detail has been meticulously designed to reflect sophistication and refinement. The VIP rear seating is where this MPV truly shines, offering fully reclining captain's chairs with integrated massage, ventilation, heating, and even ottomans for total relaxation. A partitioned cabin with an acoustic glass divider provides both privacy and a whisper-quiet ride, while the massive 48-inch widescreen rear display turns the back seat into a mobile entertainment theater or productivity hub. But it doesn't stop there. The LM is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both convenience and safety. The infotainment system is anchored by a crisp touchscreen interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside a dedicated rear control console for passengers to manage climate, media, and lighting. Lexus' suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even advanced autonomous parking capabilities, making this large vehicle surprisingly easy to maneuver in tight urban settings. Connectivity is seamless with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring all passengers stay connected on the move. And let's talk about the details that elevate the LM from great to exceptional. The full-length panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, amplifying the sense of space, while the multi-zone climate control system uses Nano-X air purification technology to keep the cabin air fresh and perfectly balanced. Every corner of the 2026 Lexus LM has been designed not just to transport you, but to cocoon you in a personalized luxury environment, proving that an MPV can deliver the ultimate in comfort, elegance, and forward-thinking innovation. Under the hood of the 2026 Lexus LM lies a powertrain engineered not just for movement, but for effortless, refined motion. Lexus offers two advanced engine options to cater to different needs and driving styles. The first is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system, shared with models like the Lexus RX, delivering a smooth blend of performance and fuel efficiency, perfect for those prioritizing economy without sacrificing luxury. The second, more powerful option is a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain, which delivers robust horsepower and seamless torque, ensuring confident acceleration whether you're merging onto highways or gliding through urban traffic. Regardless of which engine you choose, the LM offers whisper-quiet performance, thanks to Lexus' meticulous insulation and hybrid tuning that prioritize serenity over raw noise. When it comes to handling, the LM surprises, especially for a vehicle in the MPV segment. Built on the GAK platform, it benefits from a low center of gravity and optimized weight distribution. The result? Stability at high speeds, smooth cornering, and responsive steering that feels more sedan-like than van-like. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the adaptive suspension system, ensuring bumps and road imperfections are swallowed effortlessly, delivering that signature Lexus glide on even the most challenging surfaces. And because safety is synonymous with luxury, the LM comes equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus, featuring lane tracing assist, pre-collision detection with pedestrian and cyclist alerts, blind spot monitoring, and dynamic radar cruise control. Paired with enhanced braking systems and traction control, the LM doesn't just drive beautifully, it protects confidently. In essence, the 2026 Lexus LM isn't just about looking good and feeling comfortable. It's about redefining what a luxury MPV should drive like. It strikes a delicate balance between power and poise, giving you the kind of smooth, controlled, and luxurious driving experience you'd expect from a flagship Lexus sedan, but in a format that also delivers unmatched practicality and space. When placed side by side with its fiercest competitors in the luxury MPV segment, namely the Mercedes-Benz V-Class and the Toyota Alphard, the 2026 Lexus LM makes a compelling case as the ultimate expression of comfort, prestige, and modern mobility. The Mercedes-Benz V-Class, while offering refined German engineering and a premium badge, leans more toward executive shuttle duty than full-blown opulence. Its minimalist interior and slightly utilitarian cabin design are respectable, but fall short of the bespoke, lounge-like luxury found in the LM. The V-Class excels in handling and has a strong brand reputation in Western markets, but its infotainment system and interior features feel a step behind Lexus' ultra-premium rear seat experience, especially when considering the LM's VIP cabin layout, reclining massage seats, privacy partition, and cinematic rear entertainment system. Meanwhile, the Toyota Alphard, considered the king of comfort in many Asian markets, delivers an impressive mix of technology, comfort, and reliability. It's more accessible in price compared to the LM and offers fantastic rear seat comfort in its own right. However, the Alphard remains a Toyota at its core, and despite being well appointed, it doesn't reach the same level of craftsmanship, material richness, or brand prestige that Lexus delivers with the LM. The LM is essentially an evolution of the Alphard, elevated with Lexus design philosophy, cutting-edge tech suite, and ultra-premium finishes that aim to compete directly with top-tier luxury vehicles, not just MPVs. What truly sets the Lexus LM apart is its singular focus on rear-seat luxury, its futuristic cabin technology, and the way it transforms the driving and riding experience into something personal, tranquil, and tailored. It doesn't just aim to be better than its rivals. It aims to redefine what a luxury MPV can be. Whether you're a high-level executive, a traveling family that refuses to compromise on comfort, or a chauffeur-driven client, the LM makes a bold statement that it belongs not just in the conversation, but at the very top of the segment. Lexus has turned the humble minivan into a mobile luxury suite, and for those who want their road trips to feel like first-class air travel, the LM is the clear winner. The luxury MPV segment is undergoing a quiet yet powerful revolution, and the 2026 Lexus LM is arguably its most defining symbol. As lifestyles shift and the demand for personal space, comfort, and connected experiences increases, traditional sedans and SUVs are no longer the only go-to choices for luxury buyers. Luxury MPVs are emerging as the new frontier of prestige mobility, blending the practicality of a van with the elegance and technological sophistication once reserved for flagship limousines. Future trends are expected to bring even smarter cabins, where AI-powered interfaces voice command concierge systems, and autonomous driving capabilities redefine how passengers interact with their vehicle. Wellness-focused interiors, complete with mood lighting, climate zoning, and even aromatherapy or zero-gravity seating, are likely to become standard fare in this evolving category. The 2026 Lexus LM sets a bold benchmark for this transformation. With its opulent rear cabin experience, state-of-the-art infotainment, and executive-level seating, it challenges not only its MPV peers, but even large luxury sedans like the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series. Lexus has clearly recognized the growing demand from CEOs, celebrities, diplomats, and elite families who want more than just performance. They want a space that feels like a mobile sanctuary. The LM is poised to influence competitors to reimagine their own MPV offerings, forcing the industry to take the segment more seriously. It's not just a niche anymore. It's the future of versatile luxury travel. Ultimately, the Lexus LM speaks directly to the discerning customer, someone who values not only a high-end badge, but also personalized comfort, exclusive refinement, and next-gen innovation. As the world moves toward vehicles that offer more than just transportation, the LM stands tall as a trailblazer, embodying what tomorrow's luxury MPV should feel like. A seamless blend of function and indulgence. For those seeking a statement on wheels, the 2026 Lexus LM isn't just a smart choice. It's the future of luxury in motion.